I'm sitting next to the dam at the Drayton Plains Nature Center. Just thought I'd sit here for a second and take a look at the river. Obviously flows very slowly right here because of the water being blocked off by the dam. There's all kinds of cement here on the side where I'm sitting right now, so you can sit down and relax for a minute. There's a bench right behind me. Suppose I should have turned around and faced it towards the water. But I guess if you sit on the bench, you can look at the walleye ponds anyway.